Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua, we have the 2021 Nissan Armada Platinum. Now, obviously, I work at INFINITI. I've driven countless QX80s, and everything in here looks pretty similar, to say the least. Rear seat. Rear seat entry is pretty easy. Everything very, very simple. Rear seat entertainment. Obviously, rear styling, a little bit different for the full refresh of the exterior. You have the new infotainment screen, wireless charging, Armada right here, heated, cooled seats. Biggest differences. Towing capacity is the same between the QX80 and this. This does not have the hydraulic body motion control that a QX80 Sensory would have. This only has the entry-level Bose sound system, whereas the QX80 Sensory will have the Performance Series. Wow. Sunroof is the same. Everything is the same. Steering wheel, a little bit lower quality leather than the QX80. Obviously, I'm going to make the comparisons because that's what I'm familiar with. But we can also talk about driving differences. Just like the Pathfinder versus the QX60, it drives similar yet different. This one definitely has a little bit more of a rugged feel compared to the QX80, whereas the QX80 feels luxury yet truck-like. This definitely seems like it's a little bit more, I don't want to say durable because the QX80 is a tank, but just kind of like, you know, some of the touch points aren't as nice as the QX80, but whatever. Bless you. How do I shut that off anyway? I have to find settings somewhere. Same 5.6 V8, 7-speed auto, tried and true, 400 horse. Although it might be, I don't think it's detuned because the towing capacity is the exact same. So. Brake pedal is very nice and progressive, yet once you start really putting the pressure in, it builds quick, which is nice. Big honkin' NA V8. You know, these aren't going to be around for much longer, so it's definitely nice to enjoy it while we have it. Intake note is spectacular in these things. You know, this goes up against, what, the Tahoe? What else? Not really the Ford Expedition. I think the Expedition goes up more against the Yukon XL and the Suburban. But I guess it does touch it a little bit. I think out of those, you know, they all feel truck-like. I just drove a Yukon Denali for a little bit. They all feel truck-like, but I don't know. This thing's nice. This thing's really nice. You know, I just love the body on frame feel. So many manufacturers going to unibody, and it's body on frame has such a unique drive, and I am such a huge fan of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.